Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download icon fonts from IcoMoon for web branding. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the IcoMoon website at icomoon.io. Click on the app link in the top navigation menu. Once the app loads, click on the Import Icons button. You can upload your own SVG icons if you have them, or use the built-in icon library. Browse through the available icons and select the ones you want for your project. Click the checkbox next to each icon to add it to your selection. Once you've selected all your desired icons, click on the Generate Font button at the bottom right. Review your selection on the next screen. Make any necessary adjustments, like renaming icons or changing their styles. When you're satisfied, click on the Download button. A zip file will be created and downloaded to your computer. Locate the zip file in your Downloads folder and extract it. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find various files, including CSS and font files. To integrate the icons into your website, place the font files in a suitable directory on your web server. Link the CSS file in your HTML document within the head tag. Use the provided CSS class names to incorporate the icons throughout your website. You can now use the icons for branding your website efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.